Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, brought to you today by this huge zit in the middle of my head. I tried to leave it on my head until I got home and could like properly pop it, but halfway through the day I couldn't stare at it anymore and I just popped it and now it's this. It doesn't matter. Just don't say anything about it. Don't look it straight in the eye. We'll be fine. Let's open some Ipsy. So this bag is cute. It says, "And off she went to change the world." How cheesy and fucking stupid. First thing in here, whoa, okay, this is very shiny. It is Lip Luster by Ciate London. Now, I don't really know what this color is supposed to be, but I tell you what, it is super sparkly. It's like a lip gloss. Ooh, honey, yes. I'm excited for this. And it doesn't even have like a super crazy smell either. It's a very, very faint one and I don't mind that at all. I mean, like it's a lip gloss, so it's not like this is like gonna be true to color once it's on my lips, but that is so pretty. This is the Man Eater Mascara by Tarte. I don't know if I've tried this one before. I've tried a lot of Tarte's mascaras because they have like multiple, and I don't know if this is one I've tried. There is one I don't like and I feel like I don't think it's this one. Next, ooh, it's Space Case. They gave me a blush one time and it's like a cream blush and it's really weird. And I don't use it very often because I always kind of forget, like you have to put it on before you put powder on and I just forget a lot, so. Oh, wow. It's an eyeshadow called Messy Loch Nessie. Oh, that's cute. Super cool. And it's not cream. Whoa. Whoa. Dang. That's got some weird chromy stuff going on there. I never really know like when I'll ever wear eyeshadow like this, but whatever. This is by Pure Cosmetics. It's the Skin Perfecting Powder Afterglow Highlighter. Ooh. I feel like it's been a while since I got like a legit highlighter from Ipsy. I think BoxyCharm sent one a few months ago, but Ipsy has been kind of slacking on their highlight game. How this packaging is so annoying. So it's like a golden color. Don't mind my fingernails. They're disgusting, I know. It seems all right. Like I like the color, but it doesn't seem very like pow in your face, you know? It might not be what they're going for. It's fine. This is by Pharmacy. Okay, BoxyCharm sent like a face cleanser from Pharmacy, I think last month, which I love. I've been using it. It smells weird, but I love it. So this is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Cool. That's perfect because I need to take all my makeup off today. It smells really nice. Oh, it's like legitimately like a balm. That's weird. That's everything in my Ipsy bag. Might as well put this makeup balm stuff to the test. I don't know if there's like any directions, like how do you use this? All right, let's see how it goes, I guess. You know what? I want to try and keep my eyebrows on. I don't want to have to redo my eyebrows. I actually really like this stuff a lot. It definitely took my makeup off for the most part. I didn't get my mascara at all. It smells really good and it feels really nice on my face. It's like nice and smoothing and stuff. It's taking my mascara off pretty good. This seems to be safe for use around the eye, so obviously I appreciate that. I give this an A+. It seems to be a little more like work than I kind of want to do when it comes to taking my makeup off, like scooping my finger in and then rubbing it in. And it's like a wipe or something is a lot easier, but I do appreciate something a little more natural. It's made with turmeric, sunflower, and ginger root oils and papaya enzymes. Well, since I spent all that time taking my makeup off, let's put some back on. I'll be right back. We're back. Next, we're gonna try this highlighter, I think, and just see what she do. While I will say this highlight is pretty under these lights, like, I mean, and I say pretty as in like kind of naturally just like glowy instead of like bam blinding. I feel like it's just because I am under these lights. Like if I was trying to do my makeup in my bathroom, I feel like standing in front of like my makeup mirror and stuff, it'd be a different story. I'd be like, hello pigment, where are you? Or glow or whatever. I think it's gorgeous. And what I usually do for highlights is like, I like to put down like a wet base or something first, depending on what I have lying around at the time. I have like cream highlights and stuff by Tarte that I'll like to put down first so that it can blind a little bit more when you put it on top. But I don't like to do that when I'm first testing highlighters for this reason, because I really like to see how they actually worked on their own. And to me, this is like really naturally pretty, but that's about it. I'm not disappointed or anything, but not my cup of tea really. So let's move on to this eyeshadow. Oh my God. First, I'm gonna go ahead and just like put some stuff on my eyeballs, because I don't wanna just put the green there. I don't know. Let's just fart around with some of this. Okay, so now with this, I'm going to try to get it wet first, just because I just get the feeling that it's gonna apply a lot nicer wet. Let me bring you in a little close to see this green. It's pretty. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. It's an adventurous color. Having been just St. Patrick's Day, like this would have been good to have a week ago. Regardless, it's still like a nice formula and it goes on really pretty. It's a pretty color, all that. So next I'm gonna go ahead and try to throw on this mascara. And you know what's funny too is that Ipsy like just had the new personalize it quiz, whatever, they like redid it. And I put not to send me mascaras. Often, like, I have a lot of little mascaras. I don't need them all. They just take up space. And here we are, the month after they started doing that new quiz, I have a mascara. Whatever, Ipsy. I'm gonna go back to this highlight real fast and just throw some in my inner corner and under my brow, just to see how that works. Okay, come here. This mascara is actually really pretty. I like it a lot. This was 2 coats, and I feel like it's very volumizing and lengthening without being too super clumpy. It's not like it really looks natural or anything, but whatever. Who needs that, sis? We ain't trying to be natural here, honey. Do you see my eyelids? I would say I'm pretty pleased with it, even though I told Ipsy not to send me mascaras very often, whatever. Last thing to try here is this lip gloss, which I am so stoked about. So pretty. So pretty. I love it. Personally, I don't think you can really go wrong with a lip gloss as long as it's not like super sticky, which this isn't. It actually feels really like moisturizing and not sticky at all. I like it a lot. Okay, so that was my Ipsy bag for this month. I have to say I'm really excited about this month's bag. For the past few months, we've been getting a lot of like skincare stuff, which is great. Like I will always use that. A lot of times really when Ipsy sends makeup, it's very hit or miss. Today, I feel like everything was kind of a hit. That highlight is maybe the most underwhelming thing, but to each their own. I mean, not everyone likes a highlight like that. And with something underneath it for it to stick to, I think maybe it'd be really nice too. That's it. As always, let me know what you guys got in your bags down below. You always let me know and tell me what you thought, and I always love to read those comments. So yes, by all means, sound off down there. I have my BoxyCharm. I haven't opened it yet, and that'll be next week's video or next time's video. I don't know, okay? My upload schedule is really weird right now. I have no idea. If you're local, I did want to mention this. We got put on a show kind of last second, but if you are anywhere in the Phoenix area, this upcoming Thursday, so March 28th, Pretty sure that's the right date. My band, The Takeover, will be playing at the Rebel Lounge. We're opening for Against the Current in Chapel. We've opened for Chapel once before and they really put on an amazing show. Against the Current has like a really big following and a lot of people love them. I've never seen them live. They're doing their North America tour right now, so it should be a really good show. And of course, obviously me and my band are gonna be there opening, so probably be there around 7 o'clock. I would love to see some of you guys there. I know sometimes when I talk about these things, I've seen some of you guys show up before and it's really, really like heartwarming to me. So yes, this Thursday, Rebel Lounge, around 7 p.m.-ish. I also have pre-sale tickets and stuff, so like if you want to DM me or something like that on social media, usually Instagram, I see all those DMs. I can set aside some will call tickets for you if you really want to come. Just let me know. My Instagram is here. Otherwise, I know most of you guys don't live nearby, so but I just always like to tell you guys about our new shows coming up. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you probably with another Sims video next. But if you don't watch those, I'll see you with BoxyCharm next week. Okay, goodbye!